bachali wange tweyanziza nnyo naki nga bbiri tusooka wa muganda wange Wizo Memories of Good Life 24th August tuzanyanga bakulu wangulu kuku Eddie Kenzo tata asatu tuli nebbi Thanksgiving tugenda kubeera nebbi tugenda Friday tusooka wano newo then tugende nebbi naye nga buli anyumiddwa osooka wanikireko ali msikini omukono waggulu Wizo Manizo Khalifa Ganaga and everybody you know Coco Finger so good Awamana byonambo kola sibisobola naye it is my first time Little Joe kulinya wanatamanyi Pologoma Friday tulifena leka tuwagire mu buli kintu kye tukola Federation mukole byammwe nange nkole byange mwakalya mwakanywa toyiza akabakula nange ndi musanyufu okubanga gwe busosokola ki okujja kuba ate muze kubasiga okusembyeyo kuba wanyuma mwali engeri ya afuta kugutema wanyumamu era tugenda kusaba kati kankubulire wano wali real sagala owulire emboozi z'abantu abali fake nga boonoona ekintu kye tukola ekigenda okutwala industry maaso. My brother, they are fake. I repeat, they are very fake because they are not helping anybody, they are not putting anybody, they are not giving anybody a platform, they just talk shit. This is the place. You just talk shit, man. Yo, Selector! Small Selector, you don't know! Yeah! Let me go!
Kolo magati kuba na wakolo na tiga hukuka wili. Hati na shaka na shisha na parapik. Chapa tiga flow kwa nite kala pata mungu. Kuli na hukuka na simba dipa mwitaka. Chi, 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 chi. Wana wasa tiga, yasa flow. Tiga, tiga. Wana wasa tiga, yasa flow. Tiga, tiga. Wana wasa tiga, yasa flow. Tiga, tiga. Wana wasa tiga, yasa flow. That's why, so me I tell them, me a bitch and the rubber they were cool too. I want the world the microphone never cut out. Me a bitch and the rubber they were cool too. I want the world the microphone never cut out. Kusente kangende nziyenga ngete njagala nziyako embuzi nziweko mukazi njagala nzizimbe makayumba ola nyongera sente ne bageto iti bali wali baweko nange bantimbe baweko ne saidie sikaza yese sabe ne mungato toka gwe doza mumurabe Walano, so me I tell you the danda, the danda, the danda. You call it now, you carry your thing on the table. Oh, the danda, the danda. Oh, yeah. Okay. Bagala nyume na. Enga babu stage 1. Saba mumpe ya matuka dakika 2. Petuli ba ghetto yutu kuvegaza kawempe. Chemeno okumanya ghetto needs a helping hand. Toberange yona katono kolina n'ogamba nti onafuka n'abali akaani badogo site bangi bali basula ku bbala bammene badogo site bangi bali eyo mwana bali n'ebitone naye nga tebasibatya n'okutuuka wano kubanga security nyingi nnyo wali eri babakebera obimanyi abali bannayuganda abalala bayimba batyawo bayimba bati ne bakaba katono mawozole. Omanyi bwe yayimba ase byonna bye mwagala mukola mukole, byonna mukola mukola mukole naye tozikuliza omugenzi nayimba bwati yagamba atya omulenzi yagamba tampozi yagamba solopliso mageti ase solopliso
University waliwo nebirabo Simbaland soko gitubayo birabo abakigala batuli endongo nkambwe nnyo ate China akayimba kalina otuyimbira mati soko gye bino birabo byonna tubigalwe aliwa relax soko bere relaxinga mu soko relaxinga kanzije yatugala ebyo byama
Simbaland moment right now.
Tubikwaze cheya yamanyi bwana abigaba
kubanga leero tetuyinza kusunsula nga tutabuseeko.
Leta n'ebirala ebirala. Leta yeko n'ebirala. Leta yeko n'ebirala. Leta. Bana msoke mukubireko Simbaland mu ngalo. Our people came from Chigezi. Gunogo mukano gutafa. Gunogo mukano ogutakola ki? Gutafa. Muze buziwa ni just for just. Naye ebirabo ebiri. Then when are you opening the office? So let us first already what people are capturing already cheeky. So what we do today we take one chia go manyiru nari abantu.
Obukalo bwa Simbaland.
Yes, mwongere obukalo bwa Simbaland.
China n'obukalo bwa Chigezi.
Nenga ku Friday tuliwa. Friday nasina genda wano tulina show ya Wiz. Buli agamba nti ngina okubeera mpagire Wiz kangabeewo. If you are going to be there for you and support our brother Wiz. Ready and Wiz Friday. Tulina okubeera tuwagire ekikira katako. Then in ticket here. Abiri mutano campfire. Resort Beach, yeah? Okay. Tujugane. Asha 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Yeah, thank you. So what is next?
All right, Shiny Josima Bantu.
Thank you so much, thank you. The president wants one song from us. Misigaraha Mupe Vibe. Let's go. Thank you so much. Abananka. Abukaha Simbara Nava Teresa into the neighborhood. Murkara Mari. Go fix it.
Somebody say, you don't know how much I appreciate you for coming here, my brother. There is a lot going on to intimidate musicians. I want you to be yourself. I tell you, my brother. And I think I'm an example. Now we tell you Sohora. Go ahead and talk Goli Jao. We so go ahead and talk Goli Jao. We have to name it 20 and you at Sanyo. We are here to stay. Bombo Club.